Hello everyone, let me introduce Jerry, the caterpillar that helps learn to count. The toy, which helps children subtract from 10, is designed to help children a foundation for early math learning. The toy comes with an easy-to-understand learning module. Subtract small numbers from large numbers up to 10 by knocking out the parts that make up the caterpillar's body, like this, with a cute cartoon hammer. For example, if we want to subtract 3 from 5, we can lay out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls and ask the child to knock off 3 of them. Like this, 1, 2, 3, very good. Finally, we can count the balls with the children. 1, 2, actually, and then we put number 2 in the result position. Okay, we finished it. Very good.